If you've ever stood in your kitchen on a weekend thinking, what on earth do I make that's easy, comforting, and guaranteed to impress everyone at the table? Stop right here, because today I'm about to show you the recipe that's breaking the internet. The minced meat and potato pie that has taken over dinner tables, TikTok feeds, and food blogs for a very good reason. It's simple, it's golden, and it's the kind of delicious that makes people ask for seconds before they finish their first bite. Now here's the kicker. This isn't just about the pie. Oh no, we're going all in. I'm serving up a full 5-star meal experience. A viral minced meat and potato pie is the star, a bright and juicy tomato and cucumber salad on the side, a creamy garlic yogurt sauce, crispy potato skin snack chips you'll never believe are scraps, and a sparkling citrus mint cooler to wash it all down. It's quick, it's stunning, it's feel-good food with a twist of genius. And you are going to love every bite of it. But here's the part that truly shocked me. Wait till you see what we do with the leftover potato skins. Trust me, it's not what you think. So if you love recipes that are viral for a reason, easy, wildly delicious, and beautiful to serve, make sure you subscribe right now and share this video with your favorite food-loving friend. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's dive right into the main dish. The internet-breaking minced meat and potato pie, a truly irresistible, easy dinner recipe. Ingredients for the pie. For medium potatoes, 1 tablespoon butter, 1/3 cup milk, or use heavy cream if you're feeling indulgent. Salt and black pepper to taste. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 finely chopped onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 pound minced beef or lamb for a deeper flavor, ½ teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, ½ teaspoon chili flakes, optional but highly recommended, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1/4 cup water, 1 egg, ½ cup shredded mozzarella or cheddar cheese, 1 sheet puff pastry, or 2 if you love a layered crust. Start with the mashed potato base. Wash the potatoes, peel them, rinse again and cut into chunks. Boil in salted water for about 15 to 18 minutes, or until a fork slides right through. Drain them, mash them with butter and milk, and season with salt and pepper. Here's a little chef's secret I've been using for years. A pinch of nutmeg in the mashed potatoes. It adds this whisper of warmth that no one can quite put their finger on, but everyone falls in love with. While the potatoes are working their magic, heat olive oil in a pan. Toss in chopped onions, and sauté for 2 minutes until golden. Add the garlic, let it bloom, then crumble in your minced beef. Let it brown, then season with cumin, paprika, oregano, chili flakes, salt, and pepper. Add the tomato paste and water, and simmer for 5 minutes until everything is juicy, rich, and irresistible. Now assemble. If using puff pastry, line the bottom of your baking dish. Spread half of the mashed potatoes, top with the meat mixture, add the remaining mash, sprinkle cheese over the top, and if you're going all out, lay a second sheet of puff pastry over it. Beat the egg, brush it on top, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, until puffed, golden, and glistening. While that's in the oven and your kitchen smells like comfort wrapped in buttery pastry, let's move to the side dish everyone will love. Juicy tomato and cucumber salad. 2 ripe tomatoes diced, 1 cucumber chopped, 1 small red onion, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and black pepper to taste. Optional, a few mint leaves for freshness. Toss everything together in a bowl. This salad is light, crisp, and bursting with juicy flavor. The perfect counterbalance to the hearty pie, and no cabbage in sight. Next up, the creamy garlic yogurt sauce. 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 garlic clove finely grated, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, salt to taste, optional. Drizzle with olive oil and a sprinkle of smoked paprika or sumac. Mix it all in a bowl. This sauce is smooth, tangy, and garlicky in the best way. Dip your pie, drizzle it over the top, or swipe it with a chip. This sauce adds a cool, zesty touch to every bite. Snack hack. Crispy potato skin chips. Those potato peels. Don't toss them. Dry them with a towel. Toss in olive oil, season with salt and paprika, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. These crisp up into golden, crunchy chips that make the perfect snack while dinner finishes. And they're made from what you would have thrown away. Total genius. And now the drink that ties everything together. Sparkling citrus mint cooler. Juice of 1 orange. Juice of half a lemon. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. A few mint leaves. Sparkling water to top up. Ice cubes. Muddle the mint leaves in your glass to release their oils. Add citrus juices and sweetener, then fill with ice and top with sparkling water. It's bubbly, it's bright, and it refreshes like a summer breeze. Take it all in. You've just created a viral-worthy, complete dinner that looks like it came from a high-end bistro, but it was so easy you could make it in your favorite pajamas. This meal delivers everything. Savory depth, creamy comfort, crisp freshness, creamy sauce, crunchy snack, and fizzy refreshment. It's a full-on family feast that even picky eaters can't resist. Trust me, this is the kind of dinner that makes people put down their phones and come back for seconds. Bonus tips to make it yours. Swap beef for turkey, or lentils for a lighter or plant-based version. Add frozen peas, corn, or carrots to the meat layer for extra veggies. No puff pastry. Try layering mashed potatoes on top and bottom, like a shepherd's pie. Make the pie ahead of time and reheat before serving. It's just as good the next day. Freeze leftovers in individual portions. They make the best weekday lunches. And there you have it. The viral minced meat and potato pie dinner everyone is talking about. It's easy. It's wildly satisfying. It's so good, it might just become your weekend signature dish. Want to wow your guests? Serve the pie with a dollop of the garlic sauce right in the center, scatter a few fresh herbs on top, and give it a final drizzle of olive oil for that glossy, professional finish. If this inspired you, made you hungry, or had you saying, "I need to make this immediately," go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your favorite foodie friend. And here's a challenge for you. What would you name this pie if you served it at your next family gathering? Drop your most creative pie name in the comments. Thank you for watching Fun Food Stories. See you in the next one.